Hi guys, good evening everyone. How was your day? Happy New Week to all of you. Hmm? Okay, I did right here in my kitchen today. We want cook egusi soup. My love say he won't eat egusi soup, so I will prepare am for him before he will come for work. Okay, so make I take una go my kitchen. All do one together. Abeg tell me how you dey prepare your egusi. Me, I get so many way when I dey take prepare my egusi. Okay, we'll add our palm oil. Let's add our oil. So okay, I don't dey like too much oil. Mama mia, this oil come many. Okay. More mix our egusi. More than no reason this face. You see what kind sleep wey I sleep just now. I just hammer sleep. The way where they sleep take me just now. I just call for my friend side. Mama mia. Now just say make I sleep small sleep. Oh. Now hot water they take mix the egusi. Hmm? I no mix and I know too dey running, okay, because I no wan fry. I no wan fry am at all. I no mix and I know too dey running. I just dey normal, you know. But I no wan fry am. Today no be frying time. Sometimes if you enter me I dey fry, but today I no wan fry at all. Let's add our blended ginger, pepper, tomato. I'll allow this one make it dey boil. I'll cover am first thing first before I begin add the egusi. More cover make it dey do dey go. This pot can hot for Africa. Okay. Okay, we'll check our meat. Okay. Our meat will soak down. Our meat and our stockfish, everything is perfectly ready. So meat when I dey take cook this soup, na chicken. I dey use chicken take prepare am. I no wan use beef. So, so my people, how una day dey go? Wetin dey happen? Una no reason this face. As I just come for work, my girlfriend call me. Say make we eat lunch together. I come say okay. I just drop my bag, come go there. I reach there 1 o'clock. I just come for work, drop my bag, just go there, go eat swallow. So this soup wey me I dey cook, I no eat am. Go eat am another day, but today no go work because I don already eat swallow in the afternoon. I don't like swallow in the evening. Na no na. So no reason the face. As I come from my house around 3, I say make I lie down and watch one small Italian movie. Na there I follow, the sleep just take me. I open my eyes, see say na almost 5:30. Now I say oh. Now I run oh. Enter kitchen now. Dey prepare. Okay. The tomato is doing well. Make it boil well. e boil well before I go add the egusi. Okay o. Oh my God. You get one day when I use this cap enter work, they tell me say I don turn chef for my place of my work. They say na chef cap now wear o. No so oyibo dem no get time for all dis thing wey we dey. Okay, hope we add our egusi. It's doing well now. In short, I wan use my hand take cut dis thing because better I use my hand. And my hand are so let me wash this. Okay. Cut am put small small cover am so that will give us wetin we want. So if you dey wan make egusi like this, you no wan fry am, first use hot water take mix am, then no add maggi, no add salt, anything until na so my mama teach me, so no reason this hand wey I dey use abeg, because if I dey use spoon now, e no go give me wetin I want. So I dey use my hand. The hand don already wash, okay? You know say I be village woman wey favour fine. So before you yab me, let me yab myself, okay? Okay, so we'll cover am, make e dey boil about 15 minutes before we turn am, so that we go achieve wetin we dey look for. So my lady, see, e get the way wey some people take dey cook. Many women dem no dey settle down cook food for their husband, and that thing e no good. Dem no go settle down at all. Cook well. One, this egusi wey you see, if egusi done, you go feel the taste. This egusi wey you see, e carry im own oil. If you mix am well and e come done wella, e carry im own oil. You go even feel the sweetness. Some people wan cook egusi ogbono like this, one, now na soup don do. I say sure. This egusi wey you see so, I go leave am, e go done well. My egusi, I like make e done well, especially the day when I no do frying method. Mama mia, I go leave am, e go done. This one, e go dey here dey done dey go. See say I no see my meat na im dey boil here. So by the time my meat don ready, the egusi sef don ready. I put everything. Before you know, soup don set. No dey use hurriness dey cook for your husband. Cook for am so that the way wey be say you go enjoy the food. If you dey eat am, e no go no be say maggi dey one side, pepper dey one corner. No, take your time cook food. Me, I no go catering school, but the little I learn from my mother and my late aunty when I grow up with them, at least I get small experience how to cook. Na know say like my mother, anytime when I go Nigeria, I dey always let her to cook for me, because I dey enjoy my mama food. I dey enjoy am. I too enjoy my mother food. No be say I dey give am work, no. Dat her food. Na know say I dey far from her. Na anytime I go, that omomo I go do am. I go say mama abeg cook. E go dey, I go sit down with her, see dey cook, e dey give me that fish. You know na, dem dey pieces their fish, dem say take make you chop. I dey enjoy that thing. Mama dey take time dey cook. So So na hand I learn o. My younger brother go say, he go tell me say, aunty you sabi cook, but the problem wey I dey get with you, your food no dey quick done. Say if person dey hungry, he go just hungry go worry the person, he go even sleep, he go forget say I dey cook. Na so even my girlfriends wey all of us dey do get together when we stay, dem dey always like make I cook, make I dey cook. See say I dey enjoy cooking anytime when I dey this my kitchen. So women, take your time, take cook your food. Even though nobody tell you say the food sweet, and you when you sit down dey eat am, you go know say yes, this food you really try. Okay, mo check our egusi. Woo! You dey chin tea. Oh, e dey chin. Wow, e dey do well. I no wan use curry take turn this thing, so make I just leave am make e dey do. Oh mama, chai, you dey see am? See the way the egusi dey do well. E dey chin tea. Make I carry the camera near am. Oh, take your time put soup. No dey do hurry dey cook. Where you hurry dey go, see am, I go still leave this thing, lower my gas, make e just dey done small small. So wetin I dey take prepare this soup? I dey use chicken, stockfish and dry fish. No wan use fresh fish. Okay? So na wetin I wan take prepare am be that. So our egusi is doing wella. Make we leave am make e take im time take cook, so that e go give me that seed when I dey look for. Okay, you know say if egusi done well, e go be like egg. Na wetin I wan achieve be that. Okay, more turn am now, so that e go still cook well. Hey, you dey chin tea? E just be like say I fry am. I no fry this egusi, mama mia. Yes o. Wow. And this egusi so I will still cover am make e still dey done dey go. I no wan put bitter leaf, I no wan put vegetable. Wetin I wan use? Curry leaf and spring onion. Now I wan take cook this soup. Abeg, na don ever use curry leaf? Okay, see my curry leaf here. Na wetin I wan take prepare am. My spring onion, although I no go use all these spring onions because it's too much. I no use all. You whenever use spring onions cook egusi before? Just try am for your house and tell me, message me, tell me how the taste be. Okay, when I dey with my girlfriend just now, he say wetin I wan take prepare the egusi. Which leaf I wan use, whether I put bitter leaf? I say no. I say I wan use spring onion and curry leaf. He say why I go use spring onions and curry for egusi? I say yes, he never use am before. I say no worry, I don prepare am. One day go use am, we go take her eat in the afternoon, so she go tell me how the soup be. So at this point, I'll add my crayfish with my okpehe when I blend. Yes, go add them. I'll add my maggi. So I'll first add one maggi, okay? Because I don't already steam this meat. I add one maggi so that my soup no go dey taste maggi. Or add small salt. Okay. So this time now, why I like this pot, you know they burn something. See the way the egusi dey come. Wow. Okay, I can add my dry fish. Everything will go. Nah. This point now, I can't put my, okay, we'll put our mix. We dey use chicken to prepare this egusi. See our stockfish there. See our stockfish. So if we turn our egusi like this, like this, like this. Now the chinchon thing. Eh? Good wife no be for only bed o. Still know how to cook, okay? Yes, so. So like this, I go add my spring onion. Tell una say I no use all. This the remaining one. Come add small water, make it for boil well. Okay. Add my scent with curry leaf. So I'm not first steam. I go only load the gas. Make it dey do the dough. Okay. Okay, now check our soup. Oh, 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 oh. You dey change something? Ow. Oh, maka. Eh, ja, 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 ja. Oh, yes, so our soup done like this. Eh? It don't done like this, so ma test. Oh, wow. Now, wow. My husband go enjoy himself this evening. This camera. You dey change something? Oh, Jesus. Abeg, anybody wey wan marry, in fact, go Benue o, go marry wife. We have some good women there that can take care of you. Shebi you see wetin I dey always dey do for my husband. I no dey let hungry worry my husband. Na the chinchon thing. Na the chinchon thing. Ew. Woo! You dey see am? Ọ̀họ́kọ̀họ́kọ̀. Ọlọ́họ. Onion. More test. Chai. It's a making sense. Abeg, who wan marry? Abeg, go Benue, go marry, yeah? You see good woman like me. Yes, so if person good, you know, and if he bad, you know. So you see good woman when he go take care of you with good character, when go dey cook for you, when no go let hungry worry you. So this my soup, like this, e don done, okay? E don done like this, like this. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.